Welcome back to Master Art Now Academy. So glad to have you in this space. This is a place of peace, hope, rest, and renewal. Here you can see I'm using my precision eraser to take some of the highlights out, some of my stray marks. Remember, peace isn't found in trying harder. It's found through daily renewal with God. And today we're continuing our journey from Isaiah 40. They shall run and not grow weary. They shall walk and not faint. This phrase is pretty much self-explanatory, but when I dug into the word walk, it also means carry, prosper, and pursue. And take a listen to Isaiah 40:30 through 31 in the Passion Translation. Even young people faint and get exhausted. Athletic ones may stumble and fall. But those who entwine their hearts with Yahweh will experience divine strength. They will rise up on soaring wings and fly like eagles, run their races without growing weary, and walk through life without giving up. Remember, we started with a good foundation. In order for us to find lasting peace, we also need to start with a good foundation, which is Christ. This is why I created Awaken Art. This is a 3-module series. In Module 1, you'll learn drawing foundations while calming your overwhelm, and you'll finally have a clear roadmap to lasting peace at last. In Module 2, you'll build confidence through guided practice, and you'll boldly enter into more of God's anointing, unveil His masterpiece, and walk confidently in Him now. And in Module 3, you'll learn color theory and how to paint while renewing your mind. And you'll find guaranteed solutions for a colorless, dull, and bleak life. You are allowed to stop striving, stop carrying everything alone, and begin rebuilding your life from a place of peace instead of a place of pressure. When you awaken art with my creative breakthrough method, you'll continue your journey with me to stop racing thoughts, break anxiety cycles, reclaim your life, and find the lasting peace that you want. I would love to guide you on that journey. If you are a Christian woman who is battling anxiety and you're tired of circling the same mountain, start with the Awaken Art Module 1 and find creative breakthrough to take your life back. This isn't about being a perfect artist. You don't have to do this alone. This is about becoming a peaceful, grounded version of you. Begin your journey below. And thank you so much for joining me today.